Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have something very exciting in this box. I just cannot wait to open. So as you can read by the title, I used to collect Monster High dolls, and of course I sold them all at yard sale. I had like the original ones. But yeah, and I like regret getting rid of them. I was having yard sale not long ago with my friend, and she was selling hose, and I convinced her to at least keep two of hose because I wish I did. And it got me thinking, I really wish I still had Cleo. So I decided to buy her off of eBay because I'm doing this whole Halloween setup. Usually I always have Halloween decorations, but I'm turning male Kingo dolls into like a dark angel, a fortune teller, a witch, a vampire, a werewolf. So I was like, I really miss Monster High, and I don't have a mummy one. So I'm like, how do I get Cleo? Because she was my favorite. I used to be into like ancient Egypt stuff, and just like the whole, like the pyramids and the mummies, like everything back then. And I just like I always had that fascination, and like when Cleo came out I was just super into her, and I just knew that I would get her. Out of all of them I would get her. So yeah, so quick talking, I'm gonna open her up because I'm so excited. So let's open her up. I actually got her brand new, and I don't think I'm gonna take her out of the box, just because it cost me like 50 bucks to get her, and she is like original one. Of course, this is when I got her, she came with her, like I think it was her boyfriend Deuce or something. So this is not like the original one, but I was able to like find her. I guess they came out with her separate then eventually. But yeah, my first one was, I forget what her name is, but she was like the sea monster girl, Luginia or something like that. I'm sorry, it's been such a long time, but I used to be really into them. And I think after that I got Frankie, and then I got the vampire and the werewolf, and then I got Cleo, and I even had like a stuffed animal as Cleo, and I just like really loved her. So and I loved watching the TV show too. I would go on the website and watch the like shows they did. I just really loved them. So let's open her up. I was opening her the wrong way. So I'm gonna open her up. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This is like really weird, to be honest. So, oh wow. So here she is. Opening her up. The person really bubbled wrapped her really good. Try not to shake the box so much. So this is what the box looked like. Let's start from this because I actually didn't see the back of it. I really like it because it has a photo of Cleo on it, Cleo de Nile, and it just tells you some stuff about her. Just tell about her killer style, freaky flaw, her pet, and her favorite activity, which I had her pet snake because that came with Deuce, but so I didn't really get the one that I had, like I said before, because I had to get her with Deuce, but I didn't really want to like get him. I kind of just want to have her separate, and plus it's more money now to get him too. But yeah, so I was lucky to find Cleo, and she's definitely really pretty. They did her a little bit different since the one that I got, but I think she's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's really weird like seeing her again. But yeah, they did her a little bit different, so she's not quite like the one I had. Because I think the one that I had, I think her hair was more black, and she has like brown in her hair. So I don't know, there's not like too much changes, but there's definitely like a change from the first time I had her. But again, I wanted to get her brand new. There was people selling her that wasn't brand new, that looked exactly like the one I had, because I know her handband is different, and I know her outfit's a little bit different, but it's not that much change though. But yeah, but I really wanted to get a brand new Cleo, like really badly, so that's what I decided to do instead. And of course, like I said, I didn't want to get Deuce because I wasn't into him, and it's just more money to get them both. Like, I saw it being sold for like $100, like over $100, and I'm just like, yeah, no. But yeah, I got her for $50. So yeah, was it worth the $50? I mean, if you really want to get back into collecting something, you know, this is kind of how you have to do. And plus, they don't sell them like this anymore. I looked them up and I was so shocked what they look like now. So yeah, so I mean, it is a collector piece now. It's just crazy how like these toys can be sold and then they're like a huge collector piece later on. It's just really crazy how that happens. But yeah, so here is Cleo the Nile in her box. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna keep her in the box. Like, I kind of want to take her out, but I think I prefer to keep her in here. I mean, someday I might take her out, but I'm gonna try to keep her in the box. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know this is like kind of like a short video, and I know I'm not really opening her up, so it's not like kind of like an unboxing type of video necessary, but I really just want to show you guys what I got. Will I get more Monster High dolls? I don't know. I'm more into collecting American Girl dolls. But I love Halloween stuff, and I'm so upset I got rid of my dolls because I'm like, I love Halloween. Why did I get rid of them? But Cleo was just one I really, really loved, and I really regret getting rid of her. So that's why I decided just to get her again, and you know, maybe I will start collecting them again. But for right now, I don't know, but I just really wanted Cleo. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.